we got more AWE goodness. This time, this is a system for a Raptor R. So let's talk about it. So in typical AWE fashion, what do we expect? We expect design and built in America, high quality, well thought out. So we've got muffler, tail section, fully welded hangers, all mandrel bent. You know, over the years, people have asked us, how do you fix the sound of a Raptor? Step one, get a Raptor R. Step two, aftermarket exhaust from AWE. X-pipe comes with the valved motor already installed. Blow pop, decal. This is cool. If I understand correctly, this is the motor to keep the vehicle happy, because the vehicle factory sees two motors. Again, the no check engine light promise from AWE. Some extension harnesses, properly tech flexed, OE style weather pack connectors, clamps, best clamps in the business, and tons of them. Do you think you can like loop this to just make it look like I'm pulling clamps out for 4 minutes?
Mm-hmm. There's more pipes in here.
Perfectly packaged. Not gonna bang that around. Oh, check that out. Can you even see this on camera? One side is a smooth, straight through design, where the other you can see, I'm gonna call it baffled. It's probably the wrong term, but you see that kind of cheese grater deal that allows the exhaust to be interrupted by the packing. Which side is it? Yes, that side right there. Straight through, muffled, bespoke, made specific for this application. Another thing that we know and love on Fords is an X-pipe, allowing both sides of the engine's exhaust to hit each other and work in conjunction. You get better power, better performance. You can knock down some of the raspy sound. You get the great tone. So that's your sort of Jekyll and Hyde. You're come home late at night or ripping the world in half. And then we go out to our tail sections that have what I'm gonna call a resonator, which they would have used to just dial in their tone. Their motors are of like a tier 1 style. So what that means is this is like OEM manufactured level parts. So the truck is gonna know what to do with this and not get upset that you've changed the exhaust. What's the point of doing a really cool exhaust if now all of a sudden you're dealing with lights, truck doesn't act right, maybe you've lost some of your features. You know, these Raptor Rs have many different modes. You have your Baja mode, your Raptor mode, Jurassic Park mode, flip mode, creep mode. Don't shake your head at me. US sourced, handcrafted, mandrel bent, CNC mandrel bent, stainless steel. And this isn't the thin stuff, this is that thick boy stainless. And you hear that? That's American quality. Oh, check this out. You put this through the rubber hanger, and then you've got a collar to lock it down. So there's no falling out of the rubber donut on the car. This is pretty cool. 5-inch double wall, AWE in the tip. This is their diamond black. They also do in a full stainless steel polish. One of the things that we talk about with the AWE exhaust is how it's a simple, more straightforward design. So this is another exhaust system. So you can see how it does have an X-pipe, but you can see where it gets a little interesting, where you've got a whole bunch of clamps around some more valves, but then on the other side of it, you have this sort of pipe. Our new system is an X-pipe and a muffler. Much more straight through design. Doesn't look like some sort of Cold War bazooka. To further drive home the point, this is the factory setup. Massive exhaust canister. Got the extra little sewer pipe here. Which do you think is gonna make it more aggressive tone? I'm gonna say the AWE, and we're gonna show you that in just a little bit. Stay tuned. Let's get it installed. Let's get it installed. No? All right. What that looks like to me is you're putting the other motor that just keeps the truck happy onto the mounting plate. I actually like that they're using another motor opposed to trying to do it with a resistor, because the amount of times I've seen like blow-off valves and other things where the truck just one day wakes up and says, "No, I don't like that," opposed to having the real deal motor that thinks it's doing something to keep the truck happy.
Not only that, they went so far in depth, created a pocket for a roll pin to ride in.
Oh, so it's actually turning with some resistance. Oh, wow. Okay, kudos.
AWE Raptor R Exhaust.
It's a very grown-up sound. Sounds very good. Even on the loudest setting on Baja mode, it has just the right tone to it. It's not drony. Look and sound, phenomenal all around.
The fit and finish was good. Everything fit well together. Sound was really good compared to the other. Their products are just quality.
You recently installed a different brand's exhaust on a Raptor, and you had a different experience.
The other brand, I feel like they over-engineered it when they didn't need to. AWE just kept it simple, clean, overall a better process to deal with.
So I actually haven't heard this from a cold start. So I'm gonna give this a whirl. That's not the right button. Okay. You could leave your house early in the morning to go to the gym. What we were just discussing is the fact that some of the other exhaust systems we've tried on Raptor Rs are so ungodly loud that you feel bad for your neighbors leaving for the gym or coming home late at night. What's cool about this system is all the modes work as they should. We're in quiet mode here, right? But with the push of a button a couple times, now we got the full deal. Now that sounds like horsepower.
Yeah.
So, but if you're going down the road, and even if you're acting like a hooligan, you're driving down the road, but you got to take a phone call, one press of the button, and you're into quiet mode. And you can't tell that it's been modified at all. That is fantastic. That's AWE. Guaranteed fit, no check engine light, all the sound when you want it, quiet when you don't, looks like $1 million. Why else would we pick AWE? That's right, made in America, he said it. Mandrel bent, stainless steel exhaust, bespoke switch path muffler. They have the plug-in module to make sure that any of the leads on the vehicle that would be looking for a valve motor are seeing one, so it keeps the whole thing happy. This is win, win, win. All right, there you go. We'll probably cut that part out, but that's fine. Cool thing about this truck is a big old supercharger.
Jesus Christ.
There it is.